say that you don't need me. You say let's take things slowly. I hope you realize you're playing with fire. I know what heartbreak feels like. I know I've shed some teardrops. I've been here before. You have done it now, left me on the ground. This is it, I won't come back. If we don't stop, if we don't go, I'll be left alone every night when you go. Sitting by myself, going crazy like all the time. If we don't stop, if I don't go, I'll be left alone every night when you go. And I hope you realize, playing with the fire.
Hello my sweet friends and welcome back to Chelle's Glam Home. Well today guys I'm doing my guest bedroom makeover and today I'm decorating with some Halloween touches in the glam style. I hope you enjoy.
But I hope you realize you're playing with the fire.
So guys, I've recently added this bedding and I love it so much. I've added black touches throughout this room as well as baby blue.
You have done it now, left me on the ground. This is it, I won't come back. If we don't stop.
Now my inspiration for this room came from this adorable little cushion that I recently picked up from Temu. I thought it was so adorable guys and I couldn't wait to add it in this room.
I've been left alone every night when you go, and I hope you realize.
Now at the end of my bed I'm going to add a beautiful fur throw blanket. I picked this one up last year guys and it's one of those fake rabbit fur throw blankets and it is so soft and cozy and I absolutely love it.
But you're so bad, starting new on my own. Someone just take me away. Ooh, hey. You're playing with the fire. If we don't stop.
Now on my bedside tables I'm going to add these beautiful ornate mirrors that I recently picked up from Spotlight. They are so beautiful guys and they go perfect with another ornate mirror that I have in this room.
If the wind could spread your love, what if your sweetness could reach everyone? There'd be no wars. Maybe the birds will sing about your heart. Maybe the trees will whisper the word. Maybe the sun will spread your joy to the ones who lost their hope.
Now on my barn door I'm going to hang this beautiful pumpkin wreath that I picked up last year from TK Maxx, but I was in there recently guys and I seen they brought them back in this year. It is such a gorgeous wreath.
You fill my head with roses. I can't help but dream away, standing on a field with you and flowers everywhere.
Now at the opposite end of the wall I have this mirrored dresser and this beautiful glam canvas.
There is no one.
Now when I decorate for Halloween guys I really love to make it pretty. So even though I'm bringing in black I'm going to show you how I layer things to give that glam touch. Now I bought in another ornate mirror and I layered it over the glitter canvas. I'm also going to bring in some black coffee table books.
Dreaming of you, 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 I'm dreaming of you. What if the world had more of your smile? What if the wind could What if your sweetness could reach everyone? There'd be no wars.
Now on top of the books, I'm going to add this beautiful black swan.
Dreaming of you.
Now this is a vase, guys, so I'm going to fill it with some fake flowers, and I'm going to add inside the flowers this adorable little ghost pillow that I got from Temu.
Waking up, feeling the taste of our fight last night. Breaking up, making a mess of an all good life. And now that you're gone, I'm thinking about old times. I've waited so long for this to be over. And now that I'm free from all the chains you've kept me in, I'll be okay. Now that I've found the only way to get myself home again, I'll be okay. Moving on, seeing it all in a whole new light. Thinking of reasons to make it all be alright.
Guys, I absolutely love how my Glam Halloween bedroom came. I really love adding different touches throughout the seasons, guys, and I love the black combined with the baby blue in this room.
I've waited so long for this to be over. And now that I'm free from all the chains you've kept me in, I'll be okay. Now that I've found the only way to get myself home again, I'll be okay. I'll let you know I'll be alright. Now that I've found the only way to get myself home again, I'll be okay.
I just want to say a very big thank you, guys, for being so patient with me. Over the weekend, I had some computer issues and wasn't able to upload last week's video, but I finally was able to fix that now, and I can't wait to share more videos with you. So I'll still be uploading Friday morning as well at 8 a.m. Australian Eastern Standard Time.
Now that I'm free from all the chains you've kept me in, I'll be okay.
So don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, because I'll be back Friday morning for more videos here at Chelle's Glam Home.
I'll be okay. I'll let you know I'll be alright. Now that I've found the only way to get myself home again.
So until next time, my friends, I thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.